Struggling to capture that perfect portrait with true depth and detail? Today, we're unveiling the top 5 portrait cameras that blend stunning resolution, impeccable autofocus, and creative versatility to transform your images into works of art. Stay tuned to discover which model will take your photography to the next level. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Sony Alpha 6400, the best budget camera for portrait. Ready to elevate your portrait photography? Sony Alpha 6400 might be just what you need. This mirrorless camera stands out as one of the best budget options for capturing stunning images. Its compact design and solid build mean you can take it anywhere without feeling weighed down. A major highlight is its impressive autofocus system. With precise eye AF, your subjects will always be in sharp focus, which is invaluable for portraiture. Customization options allow you to personalize controls, making the shooting experience smoother and more intuitive. Unlike some competitors, this model offers flexibility without the complexity. Access to interchangeable lenses is another significant advantage. Sharing a mount with the high-end Sony Alpha 7 IV permits future upgrades without hassle. Begin with the kit lens, and when you feel ready, explore fantastic third-party options like the Sigma 56mm f1.4 DCDN. This opens up countless creative possibilities for your shots. While ergonomics may not match rivals like Canon EOS R10 and Nikon Z5, the portability and customization make it a worthy contender. This difference becomes less of an issue when you consider what you gain. The Alpha 6400 excels where it matters, especially for those starting their photography journey. This camera combines excellent performance with versatility, making it an outstanding choice for budding portrait photographers. Up next, prepare to discover a powerhouse that turns every portrait into a gallery-worthy masterpiece. At number 4, we have Canon EOS R5 Mark II, the best full-frame portrait camera. Canon EOS R5 Mark II is a game-changer for portrait photographers. You'll immediately appreciate its stunning 45-megapixel full-frame sensor, delivering jaw-dropping detail. With AI-enhanced neural network image processing, it can upscale images to an incredible 180 megapixel. This feature is a dream for those who want to print large and showcase their work with clarity. Autofocus stands out with Canon's dual-pixel Intelligent AF. Precise tracking and quick adjustments keep your subjects sharp and in focus. Capture fast-moving moments without any hassle. Along with this, the camera's stabilization system provides up to 8.5 stops of compensation. You can shoot with confidence, even in challenging lighting conditions. Many love its exceptional low-light capabilities. The advanced denoising lets you push the ISO 2 extra stops, providing flexibility in various environments. This means fantastic results even when light is scarce. Some may find this camera hefty. However, its robust build contributes to its durability in the field. Adapting to different lenses is seamless. Pair it with a top-tier Canon RF 85mm f1.2 LUSM lens, and you're equipped for stunning portrait photography. Working with the EOS R5 Mark II offers an incredible experience. This camera elevates your creative potential, making it stand out among competitors. If you're a serious photographer, this is an investment worth considering. But wait until you see incredible resolution that brings every detail into breathtaking focus. Still searching for the perfect cameras for portrait? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Sony A7R5, the best portrait camera for resolution. Capture stunning detail with the Sony A7R5, a portrait camera that stands out in resolution. With a breathtaking 61-megapixel sensor, it's perfect for photographers who demand the best. Each shot reveals intricate details, making your portraits come alive. One impressive feature is the advanced Eye AF technology. It recognizes human and animal eyes, allowing you to focus quickly and accurately. New AI-powered autofocus intelligently detects limbs and body shapes, ensuring you nail that perfect shot every time. Nothing beats knowing your subject will be in sharp focus. A super high-resolution viewfinder provides an incredible shooting experience, ensuring you see every detail before you click. Coupled with a handy tilting touchscreen, this camera makes composing shots a breeze, whether you're at eye level or above. You won't miss those crucial angles. Sony's lens lineup is unmatched, giving you access to some of the finest optics available. Pairing the A7R5 with the Sony FE 85mm f1.4G master lens elevates your portraits significantly. If you're budget conscious, the Sony FE 85mm f1.8 is an excellent alternative. While its price may seem steep, investing in the A7R5 unlocks exceptional resolution that truly pays off in quality. Using this camera feels like holding power, especially when capturing jaw-dropping portraits. Stay tuned for a mid-range marvel that delivers full-frame performance without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have Nikon Z5, the best mid-range camera for portrait. If you want an exceptional mid-range camera, check out the Nikon Z5. This full-frame contender excels for portrait photography, delivering stunning image quality that impresses at every turn. You'll appreciate its high-resolution sensor, which captures every detail beautifully. Nikon's ergonomics shine through with a sturdy build that fits comfortably in your hands. A high-res EVF enhances your shooting experience, letting you see exactly what your shots will look like. Plus, the tilting screen adds versatility, enabling creative angles while composing your portraits. Great battery life ensures you won't miss a moment, ideal for long photo sessions. While this camera isn't as fast as some competitors in terms of burst shooting, you'll find it perfect for capturing those intimate portrait moments with care. Nikon's Z-mount lenses deliver excellent quality, especially with their S-line. Although the lens selection is narrower compared to brands like Sony, options like the Nikon Z85mm f1.8s shine for portrait work. Investing in this lens sets your shots apart in quality. One minor drawback involves the limited video capabilities. If you strictly need great stills, this won't hinder you. Overall, the Nikon Z5 stands out as a fantastic choice. Combining value and performance, your portrait photography will reach new heights with this camera in hand. Coming up, the ultimate in medium format resolution for portraits that truly stand out. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Fujifilm GFX 100S2. The best camera for portrait overall. Capture stunning portraits with the Fujifilm GFX 100S2. After extensive testing, it's clear why this model stands out as the best camera for portrait enthusiasts. Equipped with a 102-megapixel medium format sensor, it creates images rich in detail and color. You'll appreciate the exceptional dynamic range, allowing vibrant highlights and deep shadows in every shot. Autofocus on this camera performs impressively, ensuring you never miss that perfect moment. It makes your workflow smoother, allowing quick adjustments. Handling feels comfortable and intuitive, resembling full-frame mirrorless cameras instead of heavier models. While the GFX 100S2 doesn't offer groundbreaking changes over its predecessor, it refines what's already outstanding. Improvements in stabilization help deliver sharp shots, even in challenging conditions. You might want a longer focal length due to a 0.79 times crop factor, but pairing it with lenses like the Fujifilm GF 110mm f2 or the GF 100-200mm gives you exceptional flexibility. What I love most about this camera is its ability to consistently produce breathtaking portraits, combining nostalgia with modern advancements. Even with all its strengths, its weight might not be as light as some full-frame options, but this doesn't detract from the overall experience. Instead, it offers a rugged feel that reassures while shooting. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best cameras for portraits. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which cameras for portrait you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.